Hi, I am Dr. Shashi Agarwal. I am a consultant in obstetrics and gynecology. I am currently practicing in Agarwal Healthcare, Jamloor, Bangalore, India. Fetal heart not found on scan for the second time can be quite devastating for the parents. Uh, Various causes have been listed, commonest of them being genetic cause, that is in 60% of cases. Usually the embryo has an abnormal karyotype. Apart from that, 10 to 20% of cases, there is an immunologic cause to it, that is autoimmune causes. There are also anatomic causes, that is abnormal shape of the uterus, sometimes septum in the uterus, bicornuate uterus, or abnormalities in the cervical canal. Infections also play a small role in causing abortions, which can be treated adequately. Apart from that, there are some unknown factors. Endocrine causes also cause abortions in 5 to 10% of cases. Problems like diabetes, polycystic ovaries, thyroid, etc. can be a factor for causing abortions and can be treated later. Before planning for the next pregnancy, first of all, at least 3 to 6 months gap should be given so that the lady can recover physically and psychologically. Karyotype of the parents can be done if the family history is positive, and also the karyotype of the products of conception should be done. And genetic counseling should be given. Ultrasound, preferably TBS or histosonography, is also useful to diagnose any abnormal shapes of the uterus and cervix. Infections can be treated accordingly, such as toxoplasma and rubella. Vaccinations can be given for rubella. Medical conditions like polycystic ovaries or diabetes should be treated. Lifestyle measures like weight loss, maintaining the blood pressure and sugar control are also helpful for the future pregnancy. Adequate prenatal supplements like folic acid, B12 should be given for at least 3 months prior to planning the next pregnancy. A doctor should be consulted as soon as the next period is missed so that adequate hormone cover can be given. Most important is tender loving care to the woman to prepare herself for the next pregnancy, which is important in avoiding multiple abortions.